Alright family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explore the joy of eating pizza. Now today review, we're going to go ahead and eat some Patrons? No, not Patron. Parton's pizza. So let's open her up. And today we decided to order what's called a chicken Alfredo pizza. So let's go ahead and get you a nice little look at this pizza. Chicken Alfredo pizza. So if you don't know what chicken Alfredo is, it's basically chicken. It's Alfredo sauce. It's basically like a spaghetti that you're eating, like a pasta, but they made it into a pizza. So really excited for this. I love chicken Alfredo pasta. So maybe I'll love chicken Alfredo pizza as well. As a small joint here in Fort Worth, Texas. I don't know if they're like a chain or just like a small mom and pop shop, but people inside really friendly to me. It looked kind of like I don't know. It looked kind of like a weird. It was like in a weird little shady area of town, but hey, this might be worth it. It looks pretty good. Let me take a quick bite. So first impressions, doesn't really taste like chicken Alfredo, I don't think. I mean, I haven't had chicken Alfredo that tastes like this. It's got a nice creamy texture to it. It doesn't look very greasy. I like the way the crust is kind of crispy on the edges. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the crust is kind of, it looks like a wafer, like a cracker kind of crust. Like this bread feels different. Like they did something different to get it to that consistency. It tastes like a saltine. It tastes like a saltine cracker. I mean, that's not a bad thing. The chicken tastes like frozen chicken that you get from Sam's Club. You get like those little chicken strips, not the breaded ones, not the fried breaded ones, but just like the regular chicken strips you get at like Sam's Club, frozen. You put them on the microwave for like 3-4 minutes to go ahead and cook them, and then you eat them. It looks like they did that, and then they put it onto this pizza. That's what it tastes like. Okay, now, I'm not saying this pizza tastes bad. It doesn't taste bad. And I like the concept of chicken Alfredo pizza. Now that last bite, the chicken felt kind of dry. All right. Now, this pizza here, is it getting the job done for me? Yes. I'm hungry. I want to eat, and I want to eat some pizza. So I'm definitely going to finish this pizza here. Can I taste the Alfredo at all? Kind of. I don't think this has any sauce. I don't see any red in here. And forgive me if I'm not, connoisseur, but I guess you wouldn't put red sauce on the chicken Alfredo. But even without the red sauce, it's a very decent pizza. decent. We gotta rank this thing. We gotta give it a score. So I can give a very low score, but it actually tastes a really good pizza. And I'll give you my reason for that. The reason is because I'm ranking pizzas against every pizza I've ever eaten in my life. So this thing isn't getting ranked against other chicken Alfredo pizzas or small chains or frozen pizzas. They're all getting graded on one big scale. So this pizza can be outstanding, but it can also rank very low as far as my score is concerned. I don't know if you understand that or not, but you will. So with that being said, I gotta give this thing a rating. Let me get another slice here. Where does this thing rank among all pizzas of all time? It looks pretty dry. The chicken's pretty bland. It doesn't taste like chicken Alfredo, really. I mean, it tastes more like old cheese Alfredo. So for that reason, I'm going to give this thing a 3.0. 3, a solid 3. Just this pizza will get the job done. You're not gonna vomit it out. Knock on wood. Hopefully I don't. This is job done. Am I gonna finish this offline? Yeah. Yeah, probably am. Would I order this one again? Probably not. Probably not. Alright guys, so that's a review. Parton's Pizza in Fort Worth, Texas. Figure I'm in town, I might as well give it a shot. And we'll see you in the next one. Otherwise, have yourself a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, comment on there. Let me know if there's any pizzas you'd like me to try. And I'm definitely open for suggestions. You guys have yourself a wonderful day.